All right, next pallet up. Watch the leveler. We're clear on the temps.
This one is grade A, origin Kenya.
Parasite check is clear on this quadrant.
Good. The gauge confirms the uniformity is within tolerance at 2.5.
We can classify this one as premium grade.
Watch the clearance on the right side. Bring it down slowly. Confirmed. Lowering the pallet now.
Make sure the edges are clean on this one.
Yeah, I got the pneumatic cutter ready for the thicker parts. Temperature is stable at 35, but the pH levels are slightly high on VAT4.
Acknowledged. Adjust the surfactant feed rate.
The submerged paddles provide continuous mechanical agitation, slowly tumbling the hides in the warm biocide solution. The camera sweeps across the liming department, where large concrete pits hold milky alkaline solution. The deliming process is crucial, utilizing ammonium salts to reduce the pH levels, preparing the hides for enzymatic fading. The acidic pickle solution lowers the hide pH, preparing the collagen fibers for tanning agent penetration. Here in the retanning department, wet blue hides are treated with a specialized cocktail of agents to ensure maximum softness and durability.
An operator adds measured fat liquor emulsion through drum ports. The warm, oily solution coats rich.
In the conditioning chamber, we use overhead atomizing nozzles to lightly mist the hides, ensuring optimal.
Under the D65 lighting, every hide is meticulously checked against the master swatch, ensuring perfect.
The texture mapping on this lion leather is incredibly detailed.
Yes, but double-check the material specifications for the aniline dye.
The Lion Leather Factory utilizes advanced CNC technology, employing a high-speed oscillating knife to precise.
We are now at the bag assembly station, witnessing the complex three-dimensional construction as the gusseted side panels are stitched to the front.
In the cutting room, precision is everything. Master cutters carefully lay out the templates on the luxury lion leather.
Every luxury shoe begins with the last. Once selected and wrapped, the skilled artisans meticulously
The ASRS system is showing a minor fluctuation on level 7. It appears to be correcting automatically. The flow remains optimized.
Stuff leather goods. Sign here, please.
Looks good, thanks.
Verify seal number 4569.
Confirmed. Everything is in order. Confirmed. The shipment to the distribution center is on schedule. I am updating the status now. ETA remains 0800 local.
Clear back there. Scanning pallet 4. Looks good.
The zipper is incredibly smooth, and this lining is bespoke silk. It highlights the craftsmanship.
It's beautiful work. The quality of the leather is unmatched.
There we are. Would you like the receipt in the bag?
That would be great, thank you.
Enjoy your new wallet. Here you are, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Leverages. The Lion Leather Factory utilizes advanced multi-stage processes, including pH neutralization,
Tanning drum status is stable at 90% capacity.
We are seeing a slight dip in the spray line throughput on Sector 4.
We hit the target again today.
Yeah, hard work pays off. See you tomorrow.